Mathias here from Carmee. We are a Swedish mobile car detailing business. We're operating in the greater Stockholm area. At Carmee we offer different types of car care services, tire swaps and also tire hotel. In Sweden there wasn't really anyone doing it previous to us, mainly because of the seasons, so everyone wants to stay inside when it's cold. We actually started mobile first. Me and two other guys doing the services ourselves, get things going, and then bought another car, had to move to this place because we couldn't have two cars in the first place. Here we are 3 years later. We actually had a similar software previous to Field. Maybe at least like once a week the system shut down and we had problems and there were bookings like disappearing. But with Field we haven't had any issues. Operating in the greater Stockholm area. That area is quite large, I would say. An issue for us is that the city center is in the middle. So when you're like going from north and south, then you're always crossing the city center. It's a bit of a traffic all the time. So that's also a nice thing with the Field. We can focus on putting like most of the services like up north a specific day, and then in the south another day. You can like divide the service area quite nicely. Our plan for expansion is hopefully find like 2 or 3 franchisees in Sweden. And then once we get those running and everything feels good, then hopefully we'll expand to other countries in Europe. And I've also heard that Field got a good feature for that as well, so that's gonna be nice. Hopefully we'll try that out soon. We are Carmee and we use Field.